Hi, good to see you and welcome to this week's video. It is a white shirt alert. We are heading into spring, rounding the corner. At least I hope most of you have with this dreary winter weather. We're about ready to ditch the knit and move into more spring-like attire. What I want to present to you today is a great way to take a closet staple. Every woman needs a classic white button-down shirt. One, maybe two. In fact, I've got two. One is 100% cotton, the other is a bit of a poly blend. I am thrilled to show you 6 unique, creative, off-the-charts ways to wear this shirt. It's going to blow your mind. The creativity is going to be oozing. People are going to look at you and say, hey, where did you get that idea? It might be our best kept secret. But here's what I love about it. With all the spring trends out there, you don't have to go out and buy one thing. Most women have a classic white button-down shirt in their closet. There are so many ways to wear it that will be fresh, spring-like, and new. It's budget conscious, it's style conscious, it gets you creative in your closet, and it may also have you thinking differently about other items that you have too. There are so many ways to wear a basic classic piece, which is why you gotta have it in your arsenal, in your wardrobe. But this is going to be a really fun video. I personally love the classic lines of a button down. I find this to be the most versatile piece of clothing in our wardrobe. And wait till you see all the different ways you can wear it, how you can make it fresh for spring, unique in its presentation. So we are launching in to 6 different ways to wear this white button down. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. First of all is more of an evening look. Think Sharon Stone at the Oscars. What that did, it was earth-shattering. A button-down shirt with a beautiful silky skirt. Well, in this case, we're going to tie it over a dress. This is a great evening look. It is outside the box. It's chic. It provides shoulder coverage for you if you're going into a place that has air conditioning at night. So what you do, real simple, just tie it in the front. Don't button it. And you have created a statement piece out of something very, very simple. You can button the sleeves, you can roll up the sleeves. Here you have options. Try adding a chunky sort of a statement necklace, or you can keep it very, very simple. Just let it be the dress and the shirt. But it is the combination of dressy and casual that really keeps things interesting and unpredictable. And it's why Sharon Stone had so much buzz when she did that at the Oscars, because everybody is dressed to the nines, and she was too on the bottom half. But adding that simple statement white shirt really made it unique, and it made it a talker that year. So if she can do it, why not you? All right, number 2 on the list is wear it backwards. Don't frown, just turn it around. Who would have ever thought to take the classic white shirt and spin it on the body? But this is a unique presentation. Same concept as before, but this time it's backless, allowing opportunity for you to drape some necklaces, possibly down your back. You can use a strapless or a sticky bra to make this look work. I personally like it in a more casual sense with jeans, sort of a boho chic kind of a styling. It's really a seemingly effortless look that took some thought and creativity, and it's going to have people saying, hey, why on earth didn't I think of that? Just switch it around and do it backwards. You decide how high or how low you may want to button it. Might need some help in the buttoning department, or you can put it on forward, unbutton it, and then spin it around. But there are many ways to figure out how to do it, but I just love how unique and creative that particular look is. Okay, so number 3 is wear it under a dress. And if you've been following any of the runway looks, you've noticed that they're taking a lot of spring, flowy, floral dresses, and they're putting a crisp white button down underneath it. So it's going to make you very trendy, very runway conscious, but at the same time, it's mixing up your summer dress look too. And I like this because, again, if you go into a restaurant or a place where there's air conditioning, you've got something to cover your shoulders. So you wear your button down underneath, you button it up high, possibly add a crossbody bag, maybe some casual walking shoes, and in my opinion, you look like you have just stepped off any New York street. And your teenage daughter might be a little jelly because now you're stepping into her territory. It's a very youthful, casual, fun look, and I think it's great if you're a tourist, if you're walking around a city, and it's just stepping it up a notch and presenting it in a way that's a little bit more youthful, creative, and of course outside the box, which is totally where we're going with this video, and practically most of the videos that you see here. Outside the box. Okay, so the next one, number 4, is taking that button down, bringing in a more office type of a look, but it's a button down with a bow. So this is super simple to pull off. Find a silk scarf that you have, preferably a long and a thin silk scarf. You really dress it up this way because you take it, you slip it underneath the collar, tie it into a bow around your neck with the blouse buttoned up high. It looks stunning with a pair of slacks, black slacks, or a pencil skirt, heels for the office, yet another creative expression with a simple white crisp shirt. It's very classy, it's a classic look. This will never go out of style, but it reminds me a bit of old Hollywood, and I think it's just a beautiful dressy way to make that shirt pop. And again, you're bringing some color around your face too, so you have opportunity to change up the makeup a little bit to possibly match your scarf. All right, number 5, probably something that never crossed your mind. Take that button-down shirt and pull it off the shoulder. So this has been a really big trend for many seasons now, that kind of cold shoulder, but in this case, it doesn't have to cost you a dime. Take your button down, unbutton it to where it sits right off your shoulder, wear a strapless bra, and bingo, you are pulling off a big trend, but I think yours is trendier because of how you chose to pull it off. Now you may need to use a safety pin here if your buttonholes don't keep it snug and prevent it from sliding. So you decide, maybe it buttons just to the right spot. If not, just fasten it with a little safety pin so it's snug around the shoulders. But I personally love this look with some high-waisted pants, in this case high-waisted jeans, so it keeps it a little bit more casual with the off-the-shoulder look. You can do a choker style necklace, no jewelry if you just want to call attention to the shoulders, but what a creative way to pull that off. And again, not spending any money. Last but not least is something that is simple, clean, and easy. It is the half tuck, and it's almost sort of this, I just got out of bed and I threw on my shirt, and it's easy and breezy. I love it with jeans or your favorite casual pant. So you leave the bottom half of the shirt unbuttoned and just give it a one-side tuck. Like I said, it's effortless. It's as if you just stepped out of your bedroom, you threw it on, but we know better. Leave the top unbuttoned as far as you feel comfortable without revealing too much. Then you can drape some thin gold necklaces if you'd like. You can do some gold framed glasses for sort of a breezy vacation type of a look. But this is easiest with jeans, with sandals, and again, it's probably the most common way to wear that button-down white shirt. But again, it's just knowing where to unbutton, where to tuck, and how to pull it off that makes it a unique staple piece. So there you go, 6 ways to wear a white button-down shirt. It's a white shirt alert. As we say in the news, we love the word alert, 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 alert. I hope you found this video creative and informative, most importantly inspirational, has you thinking, I've got that shirt, how can I pull this off? So I would love it if you dove into your closet, took that shirt and started to play around and see what look works best for you. If not, all 6. Comments and ideas for future spring videos, things that you might need, whether it's wardrobe or makeup or styling. I'm here for you, and I love your inspiration. You provide so much in the comment section below, so please keep the comments flowing, keep your ideas growing. It's how this community bustles and feels connected to one another, and really it's how you show me your love, by being here and by being present. Speaking of being present, I would love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. So easy, click the subscribe button, ring the bell next to it. That way you'll be alerted every time I release a new video, which is every Thursday at 1 p.m. It's our designated time slot. Also, if you follow me on social media, you know how interactive that is. And if you don't yet follow me on Facebook, Instagram, then I would love it if you would join that community too. A lot of slice of life, family things, inspirational things, things that speak to me, you name it. That's what social media is all about. So with your button-down white shirt look, or shall I say looks, go out, be bold, and be blessed, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye-bye.